What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making smoked turkey wings. Let's get it. Okay, y'all, let's get started on these turkey wings. So the first thing I did, I went and took a paper towel and I patted these things dry. After you pat them dry, you want to go ahead and coat it either with some olive oil, vegetable oil. Just go ahead and coat it. That way the seasoning will stick to it. I got a little bit of vegetable oil, so let's go ahead and spray them. All right, so today the seasonings we're gonna be using for these, I'm gonna be using one of my favorites, this Kingsford garlic and herb seasoning, a little bit of black pepper, and I'm gonna be trying out this AC MVP seasoning. This is from Anthony Anderson and Cedric the Entertainer. They got their own company, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out today. All right. So we're just gonna put an even coat on both sides. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my garlic and herb seasoning. All right, then the black pepper. Now let's go ahead and put that MVP on now. All right, I'm gonna let these bad boys rest for about 25 minutes while I go ahead and get my smoker ready. All right, be right back. Okay, so Walmart was out of my Pit Boss's competition blend pellets, so I'm sticking with this today. Expert Grill actually has pretty good reviews on Walmart. It was only $7. So I'm gonna be using this today. What I normally do, I go ahead and pour it in this 5-gallon bucket. Then I just take this, sit it right on top, put the lid on there. That way I know exactly which pellets it is, and that's how you do it. So this the pellets I'm gonna be using right here. 5-star hickory and oak blend. I'll let you know how it comes out. All right, let's go ahead and load these turkey wings up. Check that out right there. All right. All right, we're looking for an internal temp of 165. I'm gonna come out here probably in about 30 minutes to check on them. If I have to, I'll spray them down. And hey, we'll be right back. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's take a look at these turkey wings. This is what they look like. Still got plenty of time left. We're sitting around 120 right now. We're still trying to get up to about 145 before I go ahead and spray a little bit of sauce on them. So just stay tuned. Okay, it's time to spritz these bad boys. What I got right here is some of my homemade vinegar barbecue sauce. So I got some in a bottle, just a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and spray it. I did flip these over about 2 minutes ago. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and spray these on the bottom, and then I'll flip them over and do the top. All right. All right, I'm gonna let that sit for about a minute, and I'll go ahead and flip them over. All right, catch you in a minute. All right, you guys, I'm reading around 174 to 176 on these turkey wings, so it's time to take these things off. We're gonna take them inside, let them cool off for about 15 minutes. Hey, it's gonna be time to eat. Catch you in a minute. And bam, there you have it, smoked turkey wings right off that pellet smoker. Take a look at that right there. Got that black pepper, got that AC's MVP seasoning on there, got a little bit of that garlic and herb seasoning from Kingsford. Man, this is a great combination. It don't get no better than this. Definitely gonna be using that MVP a little bit more. I appreciate that, Cedric the Entertainer, Anthony Anderson. But hey, if you like the content, please make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Hey, my name is Trey. This is Mastablendz. It's time to eat.